Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. This video is going to be about the Writer Business OS, the all-in-one Notion template for writers. So as always, let's start with our dashboard. Our dashboard contains this week tasks to show only this week tasks, active projects for not published yet projects, ideas, pitch tracker for this month, clients and publishers, active clients and publishers, collaborators, monthly invoices for this month, monthly expenses, and monthly income. Of course, there is multiple views like by status, not done, a calendar view, etc. You can all see them yourself. Or we're going to see them in the databases. After clicking on Add Writing and Projects on the quick action, you can simply add a writing project. You can type an example. You can have the type, the status, and many more other fields that you can link your active projects to. For example, collaborators related to projects, tasks related to projects, etc. Here you can add a target deadline, let's say 13 November, and it will be added and shown here. Now if we add a status, for example, and a drafting, we can see it here. This is our new project. Now let's go back to our navigation. Our navigation contains multiple sections, as you can see, starting with the writing and projects manuscript, the client and professional relations, the content and portfolio management, the business and finances, the goals and productivity, IP and software, learning and craft, etc. Each section has multiple databases that are going to be helping you for the specific section. For example, the writing and projects manuscript, just like this view. Let's take a look at it. Here you can see all your projects, see them by status, or a calendar view for upcoming deadlines. Now if we go back, we have our task. Here you can see all your tasks by status and a calendar view. Here, a database for your researches and resources. Also, to store your researches and resources, you can link them to projects and manuscripts. Each database is going to be linked to many more databases that you can see after. So, for example, also you can see your research by status to read, reading, summarized, etc. Next, you can see here your draft, link them to projects by template type. See a overview like this. Your revisions and feedbacks, starting with all your revisions, linking them to specific projects, and many more. You can see by status, a timeline view for your revision to keep it organized, and many more things. Let's go back to the next section, which is the clients and professional relations. Here, starting with the database clients and publishers, you can see all your clients and publishers and have a specific type for either client, publisher, or agent, or prospect, for example. Here you can group all your clients and publishers by type. Next, you can link to your clients to contacts, etc. You have a lot of fields here that you can link your clients to, just to keep them organized. Next, here you have a view for active clients, just a filtered status for active. Here you can see a board view by type for clients and publishers. If we go back to professional contacts, this is the database where you store your professional contacts, link them to a role or expertise, link them to clients and publishers, and many more, and by relationship, active clients, warm lead, etc. Next, we have our collaborators and crew. Here you can store your collaborators and crew, have them have their roles, their status, their rate fee, link them to projects, to expenses, and many more things. Also, your collaborators and crew by role, designers, proofreaders, VAs, etc. Next, we have our contracts and proposals. Here you can have your contracts and proposals, link them to clients or to collaborators, and define a status for them, a type for them. You can see them by status, or you can see them by calendar view for upcoming renewals. Next, our content and portfolio management. Here you can have your publication calendar. You can link it to projects, to pitches, and to platforms, etc. You can have have them seen as a calendar view, or you can see them by platform. Next, we have our idea and vault. Here you can store all your ideas, also link them to a lot of other fields. You can have your categories, etc. Next, you have your portfolio. Here you can store all your publications, link them to projects, clients, have a gallery image, I'm sorry here. You can simply do this, and then you can add a file or a URL, and then you can see them by gallery view or by publication type. Next, you have your pitch tracker database. You can store all your pitches or see them by status or a calendar view for your pitches. Next, you have your business and finance. Here you can see your invoices and payments. Here you have a view for all your invoices, link them to income, to projects, etc. A payment by status board, a calendar view, and same thing uh, for income. Income can be linked to linked projects, to invoices. You can see it by category or see a calendar view. Also, you have a simple database for storing your subscriptions and tools. Here you can add specific subscriptions and link them to software inventory or to expenses. You can see them by calendar view, of course, and you can see them by status. Next, we have our goals and productivity. Here you can store all your goals, for example, saving, target metric, current metric, progress, if it is linked to a specific project, the progress board here for active, on hold, and achieve goals by category, financial output, etc. Next, the daily planner. Here you can see the tasks for this day. We have no tasks for this day, so we cannot see them. Or calendar view monthly for our daily, for seeing our monthly plans. And tasks focus, if it is linked to specific tasks, then either not started, in progress, or completed tasks. Next, we have our word count tracker. You can specifically uh, just track how many words you've written in a certain project. If your goal is met, how much time have you spent, and a date. And then you can see a calendar view. If we add a simple date property, here you can see a calendar view for that. And the project progress, for example, if it is linked to a specific project, then it is going to be grouped by projects. Next, the IP and software hub. Here you can store your software inventory, the writing apps active, your IP documentation, which is also important, link it to projects, to clients and publishers, see it by type or by status. Learning and craft. Here you can see all your skills, link them to goals, to projects, to crafts and readings, and by priority, high or medium, by goal level, by current level. And here you can see what skills have you have and your level at them. Next, you have your crafts and reading list. You can put many reading lists here and well, choose their rating, etc. Link them to ideas if you get inspired by them, etc. And your writing prompts. If you want to generate something by AI or something, then you can just write your instruction, your ideas, or just your writing prompts for yourself. By type, if you want to write a character, a plot, a setting, and a calendar view for when you have written these stuff. So this was again our Writer Business OS Notion template, and another time an overview for the dashboard. This template is available on Notion Marketplace and Gumroad, and you can see more details in there. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.